In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Copilot from opening on startup. If Copilot keeps launching automatically every time you turn on your computer and you'd rather open it only when you actually need it, this is a quick setting you can change in Windows. We'll be doing this through Task Manager, which lets you control which apps are allowed to start automatically when your system boots up. Disabling startup for apps you don't need right away can also help keep your computer feeling a little cleaner and less cluttered when you first sign in. To get started, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will bring up a security options screen. From there, choose Task Manager to open it. Once Task Manager is open, look over to the left-hand side and click on Startup Apps. This section shows you the programs that are set to launch automatically when Windows starts. If this is your first time in this area, take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. You're specifically looking for the list of startup-enabled applications. Now scroll through the list until you find Copilot. The apps are usually listed clearly by name, so it should be fairly easy to spot. If there are a lot of items in your startup list, just move slowly and double-check so you don't select the wrong app by mistake. When you find Copilot, right-click on it. A small menu will appear. In that menu, click Disable. As soon as you do that, Copilot will no longer be set to open automatically when your computer starts up. And that's it. The change takes effect the next time you restart or sign back into your computer. Keep in mind that disabling it from startup does not uninstall Copilot. It simply prevents it from launching on its own in the background at startup, so you can still open it manually anytime you want. If you ever want to turn it back on in the future, just come back to the same Startup Apps section in Task Manager, find Copilot again, right-click it, and re-enable it. That's the full process for stopping Copilot from opening on startup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.